Hey you guys, it's Miss Alexander, and we're going to do our best with understanding affixes. Now, for me, affixes is the prefixes and suffixes that begin words and end words with our root words. Now, the ones we're going to work on, prefixes, will be re, which means again, and then suffixes, which means past tense. It happened before. It's not happening now, it happened before. But the ing suffix is happening right now. So here we go. We're going to be working with geography of ancient India. Here's a cool poem from Samantarak Kurishi that describes the Indus River, and this is what we're kind of talking about. Boulders, ground to silt by water, deep, brown valleys, robbed in cloud against the crag-carving sunlight on mountain peaks. And centuries of cloud have melted. Valleys have sweated froth-white cascades to draw that long, brown line down in the sea. It's just a cool little poem to help us understand the Indus River a little better. Now let's go. Here's the first paragraph we're going to be dealing with geography of India. As the poem that was just read, the Indus River begins with snow-covered mountains of South Asia. It flows through what are today China, India, and Pakistan. In India and Pakistan, other rivers join the Indus as it flows south. The silt it carries makes the river the color of cocoa. During spring floods, the silt is spread throughout the Indus Valley. Now, if you notice, I have two words bolded. I want to work with these two words to see if we change the word, if it changes what the sentence means. So we're going to start off with flow. It flow through what are today China, India, and Pakistan. It reflow through what are today China, India, and Pakistan. So when we put re, it means it's done it before. So it's doing it again. So apparently there was a time, if we put in re, it reflow through what are today China, India, and Pakistan. So this is pretty much saying it probably stopped and now it's doing it again, which isn't what the author that wrote this is trying to state. It flowing through what are today China, India. That works, except for we have to put another verb there. It is flowing through what are today China, India, and it's saying it's doing it right now. So here we have it reflowing through what are today China, India, and Pakistan. We need another verb to say it is reflowing through. Again, this is pretty much saying that it stopped sometime and now it's doing it again. But it is doing it now. So let's look at the word join. We have in India and Pakistan, other rivers join the Indus as it flows south. Again, we're going to use our suffixes and prefixes. In India and Pakistan, other rivers rejoin the Indus as it flows south. Now, re means again, so this is saying that somewhere these rivers wasn't with the Indus, and now they join the Indus now. So it stopped sometime. I don't think that's what the author had. In India and Pakistan, other rivers joined the Indus as it flows south. This is a possible because it did join in the past. It's not saying, the original isn't saying now or then, it's saying it joined. So joined could be a possibility. Now, in India and Pakistan, other rivers rejoined the Indus as it flows south. So it's saying somewhere in the past it stopped, these rivers stopped joining the Indus, but then it rejoined in the past also. Now, what I would like you guys to do is read this paragraph with me. The silt deposits and river water make farming possible in the otherwise dry environment of Western South Asia. For this reason, the Indus is similar to the Nile, Tigris, and Euphrates River. They have all been great rivers of life to people for thousands of years. In fact, the Indus Valley was one of the first places in the world where farming developed. Archaeologists have found evidence of farming communities there that have been dated to around 6000 BC. So again, how we just did the last two, I want you to take the prefixes and suffixes, or affixes, and change these words up to see if it changes the meaning of this paragraphs. Okay, I'll be right back with you. Okay, you guys, I know I just took a tiny little pause. I want you to work on this. I will be back with you and check out the next video. Now remember, smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day. Bye.